my lord, that the president and the late Monsignor were very close friends. When I came here, things were not moving. Then I wrote a very good report to the president, and he said, all this must happen. And so I know even these other, the priest's house, we have come with something.
We gather in thanksgiving to God for the remarkable journey that began through the vision and obedience of Monsignor Expedito Magembe, may his soul rest in peace. The establishment of this prayer center here in Bukalango in 2001 marked a turning point. Through perseverance, sacrifice, and unwavering faith, spiritual growth goes hand in hand with moral formation, social cohesion, and community transformation.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.